Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are the plan owner. Only owners can remove members. Open Spotify on web or desktop. This task is easiest on account. Spotify. Calm. Once logged in, go directly to the Family or Premium for Family section and view your Family Hub. Make sure the person you want to remove is listed. If they're not, you may need to ask them to accept an invite or confirm their account country. Now, prepare to select that member and begin removal. You'll now remove the member. Open the Family Hub, find the member, and click their name to reveal options. Once shown, choose Remove or Remove from Plan. This action is intentionally direct to prevent confusion. After clicking, Spotify will ask you to confirm. Read the prompt because it explains access ends immediately. Confirm the removal. Once done, refresh the page to verify the member is gone. If you prefer, you can also ask them to leave the plan from their account to avoid owner action. Finish by verifying the change. Check the family list and look for the email indicating the member lost access. If the removal didn't register, sign out and back in, clear cache, or try a different browser or the mobile app. Sometimes session glitches block changes. If the person's country setting or account type prevents removal, or if errors persist, contact Spotify support with your account details. That's the reliable fallback. They can resolve mismatches or backend errors, preventing removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.